for asking.
Yes, yes. Yes, I'm also doing well. Thanks for asking. So as we are meeting for the first time, so I'm curious to know about you. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Should I introduce first?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. My name is Tejpur Singh and I'm connecting from Panchkula, Haryana, near Chandigarh, and basically belong to UP Mathura. Mathura Vrindavan. Have you heard about?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have done graduation in 2009. And if I talk about my family background, I'm a married person. I have two kids. And if I talk about my my hobbies are listening music, watching movies, and gardening and traveling. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, nice to hear. So
Okay.
do you want to know about me?
Yeah, yeah. You may introduce yourself.
Okay. So once again, thanks, Tejvid sir, and for
Yeah. uh, yeah. Don't
conversation.
call me.
So
Don't call me sir every time.
okay. Okay,
Yeah.
so good morning. I'm Sanjeev Kumar. Basically, I'm from Durga district of Chhattisgarh. I'm a plastics engineer and I have completed my graduation from CPET Raipur in 2021 and I have 2.5 year experience. And about my family, there are 8 members in my family. And about my hobbies, I love dancing, I love sports, I love spend time with my friends, and I love self-help reading book. And nowadays, I love to talk with strangers. So it's my
Okay.
hobby and it's all about me.
Yeah, that's very nice. Everything you just told. Okay. So, uh, are you studying or you are doing job?
I'm doing job, sir. I have done my
Okay, great.
graduation and any no more I want to learn from any institute. I want to learn from my life.
Yeah, yeah. This is very good because if we are learning from our life and it is practical, we are
Hmm.
observing day to day things in our life, and yeah, you're right.
It's because if I learn from institute, they give me just certificate, and I don't think so. It will use if you want to. If you do not want to job, then it will not use. I think so. So
Yeah,
that's
you are right.
why. Yes.
Yeah, you are right. Every institute teach only theoretical or they don't provide practical support and
Hmm.
practical environment to speak English. So no one can teach you uh, English speaking unless you do some practical or you should have an environment. Yeah, right.
Yes, sir. So, sir, as you mentioned that you are graduate, so why you want to learn English? I think you are working somewhere.
Yeah, I'm working. Actually, I'm a central government employee. I work in Indian
Oh,
Railways as a technician right now. Uh, so yeah, this was my childhood passion, and uh,
okay.
to learn this language and to speak in English in front of someone. So I am fond of this language, and now I am doing practicing and fulfilling my dream. Yeah.
Nice, nice. Sir, when you joined railway,
Yeah, I have joined railway in 2013. It's been
okay, nice.
it's been 10 years since yeah till now.
Hmm.
Okay.
Great. So, which method you are using for learning this language?
Yeah, if I talk about my what I'm following nowadays, I try to watch some my favorite YouTube channels for grammar and some for vocabulary part, and I also follow some channel uh, like new channels, English new channels, and
Mhm.
English speeches. And I also follow. I also don't like to watch English movies when I have plenty of time, free time.
Okay, nice. Sir, one thing, uh,
Yeah.
do you have any